Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PS4 controller on EAFC. First, make sure your controller has sufficient battery life. You can connect it directly to your computer using a standard micro USB cable. This provides a stable, wired connection. For a wireless experience, you'll need a Bluetooth adapter. Simply plug the adapter into an available USB port on your PC, and we'll move on to pairing. Once connected, Windows typically installs the required drivers automatically. If not, a quick restart often helps. Next, launch Steam and enter Big Picture mode, which optimizes the interface for controller use. Within Big Picture mode, go to the controller settings and enable PlayStation configuration support. This crucial step allows Steam to properly recognize and map your PS4 controller's inputs for a seamless gaming experience. Now, you'll need to add EAFC to your Steam library as a non-Steam game. This allows Steam's controller configuration to apply to it. From Big Picture mode, select Add a Game and then Add a non-Steam game. Browse for the EAFC executable file and add it. Always launch EAFC through Steam's Big Picture mode to ensure your PS4 controller is correctly recognized and configured. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your PC and the controller can often resolve them. For wireless connections, ensure your Bluetooth drivers are up to date. If you desire more advanced customization or encounter persistent problems, consider using third-party software like DS4 Windows. This application offers extensive control mapping and profile management, enhancing your gaming experience with the PS4 controller.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.